Oxidative phosphorylation. It happens at the inner membrane of your mitochondria. This is how your cells make most of their energy. The process is called oxidative phosphorylation and it's the final step of cellular respiration. Let's check how it works. Electrons from NADH and FADH2 enter the electron transport chain. This chain has 4 protein complexes embedded in the membrane. As electrons move through these complexes, they pump hydrogen ions across the membrane. This creates a concentration gradient, lots of hydrogen on one side, very little on the other. This gradient is potential energy, like water behind a dam. Then comes ATP synthase. It's a molecular motor. Hydrogen ions flow through it, spinning it like a turbine. This spinning power attaches phosphate to ADP, creating ATP. One NADH generates about 2.5 ATP. One FADH2 generates about 1.5 ATP. This process produces about 32 to 34 ATP molecules from one glucose molecule. It's the reason you breathe oxygen. Oxygen is the final electron acceptor.